Stan, I'm so glad that you're here and you're willing to share your experiences with Authors on Mission. Tell us, how was your experience and why did you choose Authors on Mission?
Well, Authors on Mission was very helpful in getting started with the book. Again, I've written probably several hundreds of articles, but they're all for journals. They're all, 4 to 10 pages. I've written a book about acute otitis media with collaboration with one of our friends, which was different. We had a co-sponsor help us write that as well. But this has been very helpful in getting it organized. Most importantly, getting the copy editing done, because when we write and when you write, you just want to put it down on paper, get it going, stick it out there. Then you've got to go back and reformulate, reformat, and you've got to edit and copy edit time and time again. Probably 20 to 30 times we'll go over the book. And so I had lots of good, smart people help me getting the grammar right, getting the word choice right, taking out certain phrases, words, organizing paragraphs and sentences. So that's always nice to have that guardian angel to help you with if you're very good at writing at all, to help you with that component. Because even though I'm very good at it, we had lots of things we needed to work on. So it was very helpful to do that as well. And then to get it into the book atmosphere on Amazon, that is a challenge. And I'm so glad I had somebody to help me through that, because that is, that's a lot of work. And I'm going, whoa. So knowing where to start with that is a huge step. And the AOM was very helpful with getting that going and guiding me through that process. So there's lots of processes to help with. Also how to format the book, and also get, like I said, organizing the chapters was what needed to be done. Because again, I was writing and going through things, and it needed to be organized a bit better. So we got that also, that flows much nicer. It has segments, pediatric conundrums, and then cases, and then research things, and then going back to pediatric conundrums. So you don't get bored to death with just case after case after case. So that was a very important aspect of the book. So it didn't get too laborious in one particular topic. So that was helpful for them to help me with that part. Then again, they all helped me with the podcast as well, which is, I had no idea where to start. Again, so certain things. And then, like I said, getting it to the publishers, that all to me is, I know how to submit to a journal. That's about it. I know how to submit to a company, but that's about it. So very instrumental in getting that through the process.
Absolutely. Yeah. Well, I'm so glad that it was a positive experience for you. And so I'm glad that your angel writer also was somebody who, helped you guide through the process. So very much appreciate all of this. Thank you so much. And would you recommend our services to your friends and coworkers or family?
Yeah, unless you're very proficient at writing and done some major writing yourself, yeah, your group can be most helpful for sure. Especially if you're totally unfamiliar with anything that you're doing with the writing. So for novices and new at the program, and even some seasoned people are not real, just average, above average. Yes, it helps to have a lot of bright people, good writers on your side to help you with making the poly conversion work.